Show me the starfish. Where's the clam? That's a big clam. Say clamshell. Say clamshell. That's another clam. Can you smell them? What do they smell like? They smell like the ocean? Whoa, that's a big clamshell. What's it smell like? Say ocean. Look at all the shells down there. You like the way they smell? You like it? Ben, show me the starfish. Where's the starfish? Can you smell it? Do you know where the sand dollar is? Where's the sand dollar? Where's the sand dollar? Is it down in there? Let's look in here. Is it in the sand dollar? Let's see. Do you see the sand dollar? There it is. Say sand dollar. Where's the oyster? Which one's an oyster? Where's an oyster? Here's an oyster. That's an oyster. Show me. Ooh, you like to smell the oyster? Thank you. That's nice. Here's a scallop. You want to see a little scallop? That's a little baby scallop. Say scallop. Say clam. Big clam.
Big clam.
Yes.
Big clam. Big clam.
Big clam, right.
Chicken.
Where's the oyster? Where's the oyster one? That's an oyster? You're right. Say oyster. Can you say oyster? Say scallop. Clam.
Clam.
There's your clam.
Clam.
It's a sand dollar. Where's the starfish? Where's the starfish? I think it's behind you. What is that?
Starfishy.
Starfishy, right.